It's a great event. Faith is renewed when it hears the events. There were some great conversations between a shepherd and a rich man. Faith was renewed after listening. If you like listening, then share it, friends and family. A shepherd was tending his flock of sheep when he saw a man approaching. The man was dressed in fine clothes, and he had a haughty look on his face. The man asked the shepherd, "How much do you earn in a year?" The shepherd replied, "I earn enough to feed myself and my family, and to provide for my sheep." The man was surprised. "That is not much," he said. "I earn 10 times more than that in a year." The shepherd smiled. "I am content with what I have," he said. "I do not need more than that." The man was angry. "How can you be content with such a meager existence?" he asked. "You should be striving to earn more money so that you can live a more luxurious life." The shepherd shook his head. "I am not interested in living a luxurious life," he said. "I am content with what I have, and I am grateful to Allah for all that He has given me." The man was left speechless. He realized that the shepherd was truly content, and he envied him for that.